nagpalit ni o bagong balan katas ng DXN. So, I know you are the shining examples of what it means to dream big, to take action, and to never give up despite sa mga daghang mga pagsulay sa atong kinabuhi nga atong masugatan. And you see, in a world full of opportunities, others glitters and fade, while others shine bright in a time. And that gives me the question that defines this event. Why DXN is best for you? Why? Because DXN gives you no ordinary company can offer. And that's freedom with stability. DXN gives you the tools na ani naka-ready nga tools na nindot yung kaayo and the system na atong i-follow, which is a proven system. Mangupya na gid ta ug ato ra gyud sundon, and the support from the management and staff super. And of course to Dr. Lim Shujin. Kaya kung wala siya, wala po ng DXN. So, palakpakan nato sila. And we have to be thankful for them. And, you know, the only standing between you and freedom is a decision. The decision to believe in yourself. Ang pangutana, tuo ba ka sa imong kaugalingon na kaya nimo? Because if you think you can, you can. If you think you cannot, you cannot.